तू ही एक्सप्लेन कर दे दोनों को।
नहीं तो यही तो फन है। Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos of fashion, travel, lifestyle, yeah, and a lot more. And recently I did a video what I wore for a week and I have done already 2 parts and you guys loved it. And so for this video, in this what I wore for a week, I have a very special guest. Any guesses? And I know most of you guessed it right. So we have Gargi. आपने guess किया, आपने thumbnail से पढ़ लिया होगा झूठे लोगों. And so Gargi, how do you feel? You are back to my channel after so many months.
So happy and so what?
So you should be blessed to be on my channel.
I don't have words to express, but I so missed her and I so missed this channel.
I
missed you.
I missed you too. So in this video, as you know already, कि मैं अपना what I wore on a week करने वाली हूँ. I'm not so sure Gargi एक हफ्ता रुकेगी कि नहीं, but I thought कि आई है तो I didn't want to vlog this time because vlog करते करते सारा टाइम vlogging में निकल जाता है and then हमें टाइम नहीं मिलता है. Then I thought कि मस्सा तो ये आई है. So in this video, I wanted to share what we wore for a week and we'll be telling you हम आज कहाँ जा रहे हैं, तो you get in context कि हम क्या हो रहा है आज.
You are keeping a spy on us, although
yeah,
we'll see it later, but still.
So that like it will be a type of a mini vlog, but what we wore for a week, and let's get started. So guys, it's Monday today. Oh.
It's Thursday today.
Okay, so guys, it's Thursday today. और गाड़ी आज ही आई है. So today's plan is to go shop
because we haven't shopped together from so long.
Yeah, I guess हम last February में shopping क्योंकि जनवरी में है ना. So now today we are going to Elante for shopping. That's why we are wearing like very comfortable clothes. Both are wearing white and blue. She is wearing a navy blue pants and I'm wearing light blue pants. And if you must have seen this like these pants in a DIY Shein inspired video. If you haven't, then go watch it. And we both are wearing like white comfortable tops. And like सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable तो footwear चाहिए होता है when you're going for shopping. So we both are wearing like juttis.
We love juttis.
Yeah, she's actually wearing a jutti and I am wearing a belly type jutti. Yeah. So that's what we are doing. And Gargi is going to carry a navy blue very pretty bag and I'm going to
Mohini's.
Yeah, they must have seen it already, I guess. And I'm going to carry a colorful bag just to amp up my look because आज मैंने बाल बांधे for the first time जब मैं बाहर जाने वाली हूँ मैंने बाल बांधे.
Really cute. Do comment
if you also find me cute. And now
she is cute though.
Yeah. So let's show them our outfits now.
Yes.
Bye. Now we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, so it's Friday today and today I just not only have Gargi but we have Gurleen and Gargi today. Hi guys. So Gurleen, how do you feel? आज कितने दिन बाद हम ऐसे शूट कर रहे हैं?
I guess 8-10 months बाद.
Yeah. I guess last vlog ही किया था जो हमने कॉलेज में I guess उसके बाद तो कुछ नहीं आया है ना?
शिमला में
उसके बाद तो काफी कुछ हो गया. But anyways, today आज हम जा रहे हैं coffee date पे तो फिर this is what we guys are wearing. We decided to like add a similar element, so we all are wearing like off shoulders. So Gargi is wearing an off shoulder blue top which has some silver detailings and that's why she's carrying a silver bag with navy blue pants and silver and grey juttis. And Gurleen is wearing a very beautiful baby pink top with some maroon pants because it's like a very good combination altogether. Some brown nude heels. And which color bag are you carrying?
Black. That's what.
She's going to carry a black bag because black is something which goes with everything. And I'm wearing this black off-shoulder top which my mom made for me. And yeah, shout out to her. And I'm wearing these new pants which you will see in a haul super soon. I'm wearing black sandals because it's sort of rainy season and I feel like कि बाकी footwear में थोड़ा खराब हो जाएंगे. So I'm wearing sandals and I'm going to carry a black bag. And now let's show you the B-rolls. Bye. कल की हमारी कॉफी डेट कैंसिल हो गई थी, तो आज हम दोबारा से तैयार हुए हैं कॉफी डेट के लिए। कल हम गए थे बाहर, वी वेंट फॉर लंच इंस्टेड ऑफ अ कॉफी डेट, एंड टुडे वी आर फाइनली गोइंग फॉर अ कॉफी डेट। सो गार्गी, टेल अस व्हाट यू आर वेयरिंग टुडे।
I am wearing this jumpsuit, this chicken material jumpsuit, which is almost ankle length and carrying a pink sling
And pink
juttis, yeah. And these two beautiful pins, pearl earrings.
I'm wearing this very beautiful lavender purple top. This is, I guess, my first lavender piece in my closet, but I'm really liking it, with white bell bottoms and white chappals. And I want to show you one thing, just a second. And I'm going to carry this very cute sling purse which Gargi has made, and oh my god, this is so perfect for me. इसमें बस मेरे cards और cash आता है, जो कि बस मैं ही carry करती हूँ. So yeah, I'm going to carry this. So Gargi is going to tell what Gurleen is wearing.
Gurleen is wearing blue jeggings with a camel top, which has beautiful puff sleeves and gold accessories to match the look.
Yeah.
And beautiful makeup, of course.
Yeah, and guys, Gargi brought this अपने घर से because she thought कि जब वो यहाँ होगी उन दिनों में 20K कंप्लीट होंगे, एंड कल
20K finally,
ये और इन लोगों ने मिलके मेरे लिए सरप्राइज प्लान किया था। मैं सुबह अपने नाइट सूट में आई थी, एंड ओ माय गॉड ये सब ऐसे था, और इन्होंने घर पे भी सबसे बात कर ली थी, और मैं एंटर हुई, मेरे ऊपर पार्टी पॉपर, मतलब oh my god, that was just so good.
They'll seen the reel of your Instagram.
Yeah, and they must have seen it by now, है ना? So yeah, now I'll see you guys tomorrow, and maybe tomorrow Gurleen won't be here. So Gurleen, you wanna say goodbye?
Goodbye, guys. Miss me.
Okay, now let us show you the outfits. Sunday today, और Gurleen जा चुकी है, and we miss her
obviously a
Yeah.
lot. If Gurleen, if क्या
Gurleen
must
is
be
watching this video, so Gurleen, we miss you. And today's plan was basically to go out to have like थोड़ा बहुत मार्केट के काम थे, but actually में हुआ है ये कि
It was a Sunday curfew.
So we couldn't get anything, we couldn't go anywhere. So हम तैयार हुए थे, हम गए थे, and markets बंद थी, इसलिए हम वापस आ गए with a lot of disappointment. So Gargi, what are you wearing today?
I am wearing my best friend's clothes, which you must have seen in one of her videos, maybe.
Maybe in hundreds, but anyway.
Perks of coming to your best friend home and wearing all her clothes.
So she's wearing a white off-shouldered like top with
This crochet details and all.
lace details.
So feminine,
Yes.
so sexy.
And yeah, she's wearing the DIY pants which I did. If you have seen my Shein DIY video, then you already know which pants am I talking about. I am wearing this grey Aeropostale ki basic t-shirt, and I'm wearing this hairband which has some pearls on it, and I'm wearing my favorite loose jeans with some green sliders, because today's look was like very cool and like chill day.
Which never happened. Now we will change into our pajamas because
Yeah.
it is a curfew day. And now let's show you the clothes.
हमारा दिन खत्म नहीं हुआ था. In the evening we decided to shoot a video which will go in September. So stay tuned for that. And
as you know, it was a lockdown, so हम कहीं जा नहीं पाए. We came back, we changed in our night suits, and now we were feeling so bored. So
that we decided to shoot a video,
and the video will come.
I guess the video will come after. So that
it's
video
a fun
is,
video,
so that video is like a get ready with us challenge.
And
you were telling us everything.
Yeah, Instagram followers decide what like.
So
now we are going for a coffee date, which we were craving for
exactly
so long.
We just don't wanna go to CBTL right now and just have
and
a
it
coffee.
Was a Sunday.
And we didn't go anywhere, so we wanted some.
So we are ready now. New OTDs, the second change of the day.
Wearing this nice red off-shoulder dress which has
so
like
cute
smoking. Oh, thanks. And I'm going to wear my new red heels, which you will see in a haul super soon. And what are you wearing?
And I am wearing. This is from Mohini's closet.
This is from Urbanic. You must have seen it in the Urbanic haul.
I love to steal her clothes. I love to.
So do I.
We are wearing a little cute kind of a dress.
Yeah, we are both wearing dresses. And now let's show you the dresses. Today and today we are heading out because गार्गी को बहुत सारे चंडीगढ़ में काम थे और वीकेंड पे हमने ऐसे कोई काम नहीं किए,
सिर्फ चिल किया.
Yeah, so today we are heading out. We have to do a lot of things, so we are like wearing very comfortable clothes. Like I'm wearing these loose pants with a tank top which says "Don't be a princess, be a mermaid." Be a mermaid दिख नहीं रहा है, but anyway I'm wearing my black heeled boots to match up the whole vibe and be like super casual today. And what are you wearing, Gargi?
Fortunately, we end up
getting twinning
again, though we didn't decide.
Yeah,
but even I am wearing this red beautiful tank top, which is
again mine, but that's just tell them about that.
And the blue trousers, blue bag,
and red slippers, red sliders to match the whole vibe. And now let's go. Lost the count of the days. Kya din aaj? It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. Yeah.
So it's Tuesday today, and today we are going out again, like every other day. And today we have to go to meet somebody, and yeah. So that's so again I'm wearing like super comfortable clothes. I'm wearing this jumpsuit which you must have seen on Bhabhi in some vlogs, and I'm going to wear my blue very pretty bow wale slippers, and I'm going to carry a navy blue bag, and I wore these golden earrings and with a rose gold watch. And yeah, what are you wearing, Gargi?
I am wearing this formal or not so formal shirt.
Yeah, but it's a crisp v-neck formal shirt.
And the trousers, and the blue trousers with a matching silver bag
and
silver watch and white footwear.
Yay! Now let us show you the outfits. टुडे और आज इस सीरीज का फिनाले होने वाला है. एंड लेट मी जस्ट गेट इट डिसाइड. एंड टुडे एज यू कैन सी वी आर वेयरिंग लाइक sports wear. Yeah,
polo t-shirt with like.
So where are we going today?
We are going to play golf.
Yes, like I used to play golf a lot when I was in like school, like 10th 11th May, and then I just completely forgot, and now I'm back at golfing. So yeah, we are going for golf today. And golf का dress code होता है polo t-shirt, sports shoes and
formal trousers slash
tights. So that's what we are wearing today. And now let's show you the outfit. Gargi, how was your experience shooting this video?
It was really fun. It is always fun to be on camera and also to be on her channel because she's so famous, you know. I really enjoyed it. And I'm sad the series is ending because
yeah, we'll be shooting anyway many more videos for the September because September is our birthday month.
Oh, birthday month, yeah.
And that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed my what I wore for a week with Gargi this time. And thank you for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to
like, share and subscribe. And don't comment Binod.
Okay, bye guys. मैं बोलती तब भी तो दिखती है.
एक मिनट शर्म आ रही. ये बाल क्यों उड़ रहे हैं मेरे? पहले इनको सेट कर. मैं it has that frill.
Yeah.
Frill, what it has that?
दोबारा से
frill sort of a thing. Frill.